bubble tea, and this is Scott. He's rage quitting. And Prana's rage quitting as well because they both are bad at FC24.
But you're bad at us.
Today we're gonna be making taro. The ingredients are bubbles,
Everybody know how to make it. So
taro powder. What the fuck? That's copyright. Condensed milk, some boiling water, right there. Bet. Let's go now. I just put some boiling water on the gas so that we can make the bubbles.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You know this is going on YouTube, right?
Huh? Yeah, I don't care.
What? Alright.
Juice the goose.
Oh, we have Juice the Goose as well.
Yeah,
Bruce is not here today. He's in hospital because this guy kept throwing him on the ground.
When?
Yeah.
This guy's lying, man. It's at his house, liar. It's at this guy's house.
Yeah, hospital. Yeah. Alright, now we just need this container right here.
Let Juice hold it. Just hold it, yeah. Juice is holding it.
Just waiting for it to boil. In the meanwhile, we can just get some utensil because we can boil. So the water's boiling right now. We're gonna put the bubbles in it right now. If it's for 3 people, put at least like 5 spoons.
1,000 boys.
1, 2,
3,
4,
And 5.
5 and a half.
Half.
Boom. Now that's boiling. Now, since this is finished boiling, with juice right here, we can pour this in here. Just pour a little bit.
The goose holding it.
If you're doing it for around like 3 people, or just a little bit more than that. No, stop! That's unhygienic.
Juice the goose.
Oh, I bet. For 3 people, at least this much should be fine. So let's take this. Let's take our glass.
Yep.
Alright. Now, we take the taro powder and we put around like 3 spoons. That's 1. 2. Bro, somebody record this. So we put 2 so far. 3, 4, and 5.
Woo.
So using this spray,
Smells
I
good.
5 for 3 people.
Guys, I know you can't smell it, but it does smell amazing.
Okay, now you should take your
Hey.
now you should take your condensed milk and grab a spoon. And grab a spoon like this. Alright? So once you grab the spoon, take 1 big scoop. And just chuck that in there, bro.
Yeah.
Now this is your sweetness. Put another spoon. That's 2 spoons. 3 spoons. Now, I'm only doing 3 spoons. I'll add it later if it's not sweet enough. That should be alright.
This is what it should look like.
And now, if this happens right here, just turn the gas down.
Yep.
And you want to mix the pearls until they're floating. As you can see right now, they're literally floating. So let them cook for a little bit longer. Just wait. That's what they should look like. So put the gas on low. Like that, like that. Actually, I think it should be cooked. At least put them at least for 5 minutes. So now let's get the filter. Where is it? Right here. Get the filter right here. Chuck this in the sink. Like that. Now we're gonna turn off the gas. We're gonna take these pearls. Now if it's hot, take a cloth. I just burnt myself. Sorry. I need it. That's it. You take your pearls, chuck it in the filter. Oh my days. Chuck it in the filter like that. Look how steaming that is, bro. I don't think you can see it, but
Oh,
it's super hot. Now, you want to get some cold water and just rinse it like that.
steam out. Oh, it just.
Oh, it should be black. Wait, what? Okay, now get something to mix.
Oh, wait, bro. This is going on YouTube, bro.
Okay, now mix the condensed milk and taro. It should still be warm so that it actually gets mixed up. And it should turn into this purple liquid.
Come. Right. Just mix it.
Should be solid. Okay, now that this is solid, yeah, it should be enough.
Good big bag.
Now you get your glasses. I mean, we just reuse them.
Yeah.
We pour
We
it
got
in.
it from Inala.
Pour this in like that. Just a little bit. You don't want too much.
Juice to goose. Pour about that much here.
Yeah, if there's leftover, then just fill it up.
Perfect.
Right, now that's good. Now what you want to do is get some milk. If you don't have milk, go tell your dad to go bring the milk.
Oh my date.
Don't take it like that. Anyways, so we pour the milk.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
Yo, the milk is nearly finished. Yo, what?
The milk
Let
is
me get
finished.
some more milk.
Ask your dad to bring some more milk.
Bring the
now.
milk back.
Ask your dad to bring some more milk.
Bro, this is just a house tour now. Oh, I date.
Oh, let me record now.
No, you're gonna do weird stuff. Oh, look at that birds.
I went to the
Why
shop
you
and
saying
got some more milk.
Right?
Yeah, I got some milk. I love milk. I mean, what?
Hey yo!
So, I got some milk. Some nice and sticky milk. I mean, what? No, normal milk. Pour that much. Around that
Homemade
much.
milk.
Around that much.
I'm joking.
It's the best milk and it's made by us.
Yep.
Stop the camera.
Okay, now once you've got that, now what you want to do is come back to your pearls right here. Now what you want to do is get like a spoon, like a normal size spoon. That and take around like 3, probably 4 per glass. So that's 1, 2, 3,
Are you sure it's enough pearls?
4. Yeah, that should be enough. And put that to the side. It's not ready yet, Pranav.
I'm just putting.
Oh, and subscribe to his channel. Desi Bloke Pranav.
Desi bloke.
He's reaching for 500 subscribers, right?
I already go for 60.
2, 3,
I just need 40 more.
4. A little bit more.
But are you
that's
sure
right.
the
there's
rest?
enough, bros?
Yeah, trust, bro. Now what you want to do, there's one more glass, just put the whole thing. Whatever's left. Alright, once you've got that, you want to go to your fridge, get some ice.
But I'm literally serious. I just want to eat this right now.
Chuck some ice in there. Chuck some ice in there like that. This is mine, by the way.
Bro,
This
that's
one is
mine,
mine.
man.
This one is mine.
But I already did that.
Put some ice.
That one is mine. Yeah, come on.
Ice in there like that. It's not ready yet.
I want to drink it.
Actually, that one's mine. This one.
Now, once the ice is in there, bro, stop! You
No,
weirdo.
this is kids friendly. It's supposed to be a kids friendly.
Yeah,
Be
bro.
friendly.
Now, what you want to
This
do
guy.
is get your lids. If you don't have a lid, then just like drink it out of the glass. I think I lost my lid.
Great job.
Wait, what? I swear I had my lid.
Bro.
Oh, right here, right here. Right, so we got the 3 lids. Now, you have to just chuck it on.
Oh, hell no. Wait.
What?
Nothing.
Just chuck the lids on.
I accidentally did it.
Did what?
It's
My days.
you know what he did?
Okay, now we've got this. Now I have to put the lid on. Like that. Make sure it's on properly. Now what you want to do?
I might just steal
get your
this.
3 straws. Like that.
I might just steal this.
Bro, stop.
Hey!
Stop.
This is mine.
Stop. It's not ready yet. Put the straws in.
But I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Chill.
You're what, hungry?
Wait here. And the last thing to do is enjoy your boba with juice.
Juice it.
If it's too sweet, add some milk. Yeah, just add some milk.
Or add less thing.
And add less condensed milk if it's too sweet. Subscribe to my channel. Make it go famous and subscribe to Desi Blog. He's reaching for 500 subscribers. We're going to do a live stream soon.
Make just the
This night, maybe. This
Right.
night.
See ya.
Goose famous.